Okay, I am on the corner of Atascocita Road and Will Clayton. And I'm about to go into Tour 18. I am headed westbound. And now I'm about to go north to the entrance of Tour 18. There's two entrances. There's one here, and there's one about 300 yards up the road there. But this is Tour 18. I'm now facing north. And this is what you're going to see when you come on in. So you can see there's a lake over here to the left and another one over here to the right. The golfers. Okay, so this is a section, brand new section, and it's one way in and one way out. And I'll make a circle around and then I'll get out a little bit and walk. There's one of the holes right there in front of us. Now all this stuff to my right is going to be, these are all going to be golf course lots, and the stuff to the left is not. This lot right next to me here is going to have this reserve. All this tree line is going to stay. Some of this stuff is going to have like hills in the backyards and things like that. Now to my right is that little turnaround. The neighborhood ends right here though. Right here, and we'll spin it around. There's somebody else scoping out the place. There's this little island off to the left. Some grass area. And this is where the model home's going to be right there. This was dirt the other day. Look at that. Okay. So, get out. That's where I drove in from. So coming in, this is northbound. This is east. North, here's the model home here. Down over there is west. This section here in the center is going to be 13 lots. Down over here, around, all over here, and up and down this street right here is going to be 33 lots. All these are going to be considered to be golf course lots. As you can see in the distance, there's the cars, and the trail for the golf carts is going to come through the neighborhood. Okay? Let's see them out there golfing. There's a hole right there. There's a tee box. But you can see in the drone video that I shot, it says Tour 18 on it. It's over there. And that's the clubhouse right there. So you can see. There you go. Look at this guy. The houses are built way up. Let me just show you this. You can see, you know, there's going to be hills and stuff. This side is actually higher than the golf course. As you can see those golfers in the background over there. They're down. This will be the model home, Hidden Arrow. See, it goes up. All right, so this is what Tour 18 looks like on the ground. "46 home sites."